Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram search not showing post and reels problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the problem is related to your network. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, back to home screen. Go to phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Instagram. See, now tap on Instagram and scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back, call logs allow, back, and another camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and open your Instagram app and tap on search bar. Now search, enter your problem, search here and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment now.